Welcome. If you've ever wanted to create a Gmail account without needing a phone number, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the updated steps on how to do just that, all using your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Once it's open, tap your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the account settings. Next, tap on Add another account. From the list that appears, select Google. This will direct you to the account creation screen. Now, let's create your account. Tap on Create Account. You'll be given two options. Choose between personal use or business, depending on your needs. Then, enter your first name followed by your last name. Once you've completed that, tap Next at the bottom right. Fill in the required information that follows. When you get to the phone number section, don't worry. Look carefully, as there should be a skip option available. Tap that, and you can continue creating your account without entering a phone number. And there you have it. Follow these simple steps, and you'll have your new Gmail account ready to go without needing a phone number.